Good morning, guys. It's your girl Kiera, and I'm coming to you today with a Shipt video. So yes, right now I'm currently waiting in my car, waiting for Target to open. So as soon as Target open up these doors, you guys can come along with a ride with me. Hey guys, so now I am in Target shopping around for my Shipt order. So let's go. Okay guys, so let's get into it. So you're going to click onto the Shipt app. Once you do that, you'll be able to see all the orders that you have for that day. You're going to first click into the order that you're shopping for within that day. Once you do that, you'll see the name of the person you're shopping for, their contact information, their address, and also how to send a intro text message. It's always good to send an intro text just to let the customer know that you're shopping for their order at that exact moment. Then, once you do that, you're going to click on shop for the order. You'll then be able to see like the produce, the breakfast, canned goods. You'll be able to see all the items that that particular customer shopped for that day. Hey guys, this is everything I got so far for one of my Shipt orders. So I'm doing 4 separate orders, so that's why I have the 2 little buggy cart thingies and the regular shopping cart. So let's see what else we can find. So as I was stating before, I was shopping for 4 different people with this particular Target Shipt order. So as you can see with the little bubble that has the initials with each customer, that's how you indicate whose item goes with who. Also, the way that you actually scan the item in, you're going to find the barcode on all of the items. And this particular person wanted 4 waters. You're going to put in 4 waters and boom, there it goes right up in the system, y'all. For instance, the customer wants this, so you're going to fit in the box. So right now I'm looking for some taco shell. This is the one with the find the barcode. Then we're gonna scan that barcode on the Shipt app, and then once we scan it, it'll just add it to the customer's cart. Okay. So yeah guys, once you're done shopping and complete the orders, all you have to do is just go and review everything that you shop for that day, make sure it's correct. Once you're done, you're going to go over to a cashier. If it was just a shopping trip, have the cashier ring up the items, take a picture of the receipt at the end, and you're all set. Or if it's prepaid, just get someone at customer service, scan the barcode, and you're all done. Jesus, you guys, I just got out from the rain. It is a mess, honey. All the bags are separated in the back of my seat. So I got one order right there, one right there, one over here in the front with me. Damn, y'all, I'm out of breath, child. Honey, I am tired, okay? So now I'm about to just drop these orders off and then be on my merry way to see what's next on this marvelous adventure with Key. Hey guys, so I officially delivered all of my orders for today, and I might go back out a little bit later, but right now I'm just going to take me a little break because I did do a lot of orders today. So if any other video suggestions that you guys want me to do or put out, just comment below. Thanks guys for watching, and please just like, subscribe. And if you want to chit chat with me about couponing or even some Shipt questions or anything like that, please just comment down below. Thanks for watching, you guys.